for around 2 minutes-ish, 3 minutes-ish. And breathing practices that I teach are very much here to calm your nervous system. I also quickly want to put up the chat. Just if anybody writes something, if you have any questions coming up, we can handle all of them. Yeah, here we go. Good. And come to a wonderful sit today, everybody. The wonderful sit. Oh, maybe should set up the green screen a little bit different, but that's how it is today. I mean, the fishes are almost more important than me right now. So, oh, I forgot about the other microphone. Sorry. I'm sorry. We only need this microphone right now. It's good that I realized that before we start. Yeah. So let's do a quick breathing exercise. Square breathing. Again, this is calming. The goal of this breathing exercise is to calm your nervous system. It's called square breathing. Welcome. Let's go. Come to a wonderful sit. Sit up tall. If you're sitting down on the floor, sit up on some books. Sitting pillow. Anything else? No? If you are sitting in a chair, it's completely fine. Do that. And from there, start to breathe through your nose. You can close your eyes if you wish. At any point in time, if this breathing practice would become suffocating to you, come out of it and come back to your natural breath. Other than that, just follow along. If it's morning, you can push yourself a little bit more. If it's evening, make it a little bit easier. Yeah. Let's start. Take one more deep inhale together with me through the nose right now. Deep, deep, deep. And exhale. And we're starting. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale again. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 2, 3, 4. Inhale again and continue on your own. You can count up to 8 to 12 to 16, whatever number you like. And let the breath flow constant. So constantly in, constantly out. Good job. Going for another about 2 minutes. And then I'll get you slowly out of it again. Next time you're breathing in, slowly release and come back to your natural breath. No need to hurry. Check in with how you're feeling right now. How did you feel before the breathing exercise? How do you feel right now? Whenever you're ready, out of it, out of this breathing exercise completely. And thank you so much for joining in today. A wonderful rest of the day. Wherever you are in the world, take care. And again, this wonderful background here from Ram's Reef, you can find it at www.twitch.tv/ramsreef, top right corner and triple. I'd like to check that out too. Yes, probably the best reef on Twitch. Feel free to check it out. Have a good one, everybody. Let me give another shout out to Ram's Reef, and I think we're even going to raid him today. And yeah, that's about it. Because he's online right now, as you can see, because this is his live stream right now. At the time of this recording, this is his live stream. This is my live stream. And we're now riding over to him, saying hello there to all the wonderful fishes. And yeah. Everybody, take good care of yourself, and we'll see each other very, very soon. Bye bye. Have a good one. Let's go. Let's raid. Excited to check out Ram's Reefs. What's going on at Ram's Reef? There's some people. And of course, drop him a follow. He's amazing. And take good care of yourself. See each other very, very soon. Bye bye. Have a good one. See you soon.